Ice Universe is finally back with some exciting new updates on the upcoming One UI 7.0 beta. If you've been following the progress, you probably know that Samsung originally planned to drop the One UI 7.0 beta back at the end of July. However, things got delayed big time. The update faced several months of holdups, mostly due to critical bugs that needed fixing. But now it looks like Samsung has worked out most of those kinks and is gearing up to launch the beta program in the next few weeks. According to Ice Universe, the release might still be about 2 weeks away from now, which isn't too bad given the delays. They also shared some interesting details about the latest internal beta build, which apparently has the firmware ending in XGVU. This build is packed with features and is said to be more flexible than the previous leaks, making it a lot better than what we've seen so far. Now, here's the kicker. For the first time in recent years, Samsung hasn't released a beta version of One UI by November. In the past, stable One UI updates were usually available by now, especially for high-end devices and even some mid-range ones. But this year, Samsung has changed things up. They're saying the One UI 7.0 beta will be out by the end of the year, with a stable version expected to roll out in early 2025. As for which devices will be eligible for the One UI 7.0 beta, we're looking at a decent list. Here are some of the likely candidates: Galaxy S23, Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy A35, and Galaxy A55. However, there's a catch. The beta program won't be available globally. Samsung is initially limiting the beta to just 7 countries: China, Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, United Kingdom, and United States. This limited availability has been a major point of feedback from users for a while now. Many Samsung fans have been hoping for a broader beta rollout so the company can gather feedback from a larger pool of users. But honestly, it doesn't seem likely that we'll see a global expansion this year. Moving on to what One UI 7.0 brings to the table, it's looking pretty solid. One of the standout features that's been teased is a new ability for Galaxy Eye to summarize content from different sources, whether that's web pages, notes, or even voice recordings. If you've used something like Google Assistant or Siri, you probably already know how useful this can be. But now it seems like Samsung wants to take it up a notch. Another feature that's being tested is notification summaries, which have actually been available on iOS for a while now. This feature condenses long, detailed notifications, like emails or text messages, into a more digestible format, especially when the full content would take up too much space. It's been praised as one of the most practical features on iPhones, so it makes sense that Samsung would want to bring something similar to One UI. According to the tipster Chunbai, Samsung is currently testing it out, but we don't know exactly which devices are getting it. It's possible that the feature might debut on the Galaxy S25 instead of older models like the Galaxy S24, but that's all still up in the air. As for how similar Samsung's notification summary feature will be to Apple's, we don't have the full details yet. But once the One UI 7.0 beta launches, we'll probably get a better idea. So if you're interested, keep an eye out for when the beta finally drops. You might be able to try it out yourself. That's about it for now. There's a lot to look forward to with One UI 7.0, and I'm sure we'll hear more about it soon. If you found this update useful or exciting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. And as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of these new features? Will you be jumping into the beta program if you can? Catch you in the next video. Peace out.